How to download Scarlet app on your iPhone or Android. To do so, if you have iPhone, then open your App Store, and if you have Android, then open your Google Play. Then, on the searching bar, search for Scarlet. Then, simply hit on the Scarlet application, and you have to pay them USD 0.99 to use this application. Simply hit on USD 0.99, then you will be proceed to payment, and then you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can easily download Scarlet app on your iPhone or Android. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.